Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Today we're working on a Dometic water heater, 10 gallon. We actually removed it. We're working on North Point Jayco, and they had no hot water. And on this one, there's a check valve inside this top fitting here. And when that gets stuck or broken, it'll stop allowing water to flow through. So what you want to do to gain access on most of them is typically there'll be a compartment to gain access to the back here, drain your water heater, and then once you've drained your water heater and you have your power off and everything, you can go ahead and you would remove your water line. But put a towel down before you do. Make sure you soak up any water that you might spill. And you know, on this particular one, we did remove the water heater because it was the most efficient way to gain access, because there was no wall panel. And going through the compartment door just wasn't going to cut it. It was too long of a reach, so it was faster just to remove the water heater. And we were all about trying to make it efficient and so the customer doesn't have a bigger bill. So if you guys are having hot water problems on your North Point Jayco or have a Dometic water heater, remember, on the 10 gallon, this one, it is on the top. So until next time, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.